light is good. Good lightning. Prepare all your materials. Pag nandun na yung materials, wash your hands. And then, syempre, lagi mo may gloves. Okay? So, wear your gloves. Sabi nga natin, yung gloves, protection, pero hindi niya nare-replace yung pagwawash ng hands. So, yun pa rin ang tama. Okay, so ang gagawin nyo lang during your demo, yun na nga, kung gawa kayo ng magmimigay ng tinatawag natin na ano tawag doon, yung case scenario para mas maganda, parang may pasyente talaga. Okay. Okay. So, first, halimbawa, Miss Lerma, I want to inspect your skin, di ba? So, i-ano mo na siya. Pero pwede din na, depende dun sa skills natin, pwede kasi ipa-recite mo na sa'yo, what are the 4 quadrants of the abdomen? So, this is the right upper quadrant, this is the right upper quadrant, the left upper quadrant, the right lower quadrant, and the left lower quadrant. What are the 9 regions? Tinanong ng assessor mo, what are the 9 regions of the abdomen? Is we have the right hypochondria, we have the left hypochondria. Kasi hindi nyo babasahin yung checklist. Kailangan memorial nyo. Okay, para kayo na bahala ng parang hindi kayo malito. So we have the right hypochondria, left hypochondria, then we have the epigastric region. I have the right lumbar region. We have the left lumbar region. We have the umbilical region. I have the right iliac region, the left iliac region, and I have the hypogastric region. Okay, so yung epigastric, okay, umbilical, and hypogastric. Okay, so nilang tandaan nyo, 9. Okay, so now you will do the assessment. Pwede itanong sila, what are the 4 methods? Hindi mo sasabihin siya yung 4 para hindi mo maalala ang 4 lang, di ba? What are the methods of physical assessment? We have inspection, we have palpation, we have aspersion, and auscultation. Okay, can you show me? Do inspection. What when you are using inspection? If I will observe the skin, okay, using DCAP BTLS. Okay, so what is DCAP BTLS? When I will examine the skin, I will observe for deformities. I will observe for, isa-isahin nyo na yung DCAP BTLS. Mas mabilis yun. Okay, also from head to toe, I will observe the hair, if any, lice, if any, wounds, something. Kasi naka-gloves naman kayo. So, I need to document all the findings that I check. Now, I will check the head area. I will start with the eye. I will use the pen light to see the reaction of
the eyes.
Anong nangyari?
Lobat.
Tampo na. Tampo na.
Ulo mo na?
Observing the perla.
Perla.
Tandaan nyo, di ba? Perla. Pupil is equal, reacted to light and accommodation. Tandaan nyo lang, di ba? So, check. Okay, and also, sometimes you will can do like this. Di ba? Ayan. Aside from inilawan mo, kasi tingnan mo yung pupil, perla nga, and then pwede mo ilagay mo sa gitna. Kaya pang nakita. Okay, so, okay,
yung mouth.
Okay, mouth, kasi physical assessment. Inspection ka pa lang di ba? Inspection ka. So, you will ask the patient to open their mouth and then hold this one with your, doon gagawin nyo to sa final. Pwede nyo buksan to, ha? Gagamitin nyo. And then, you need to visualize yung area. Say, okay, mabilis lang, ha? Baka mga tayo. Na yung inspection, palpation naman. Usually, I will ask you. So, natapos mo na yung inspection using your eyes. And then, how about the palpation? Diba, sinention palpation. We have, mention mo na agad, huwag mo na intayin tanungin ka na may types ng palpation. We have 2 types of palpation. Diba? We have the light and deep
Deep
palpation.
palpation.
We are using the light palpation if we want to
To see
see
centimeter.
okay, if the patient is hot or warm. Okay, or using with the use of 1 to 2 centimeter
1 to 2 centimeter.
palpation. If I will do direct palpation, usually it is in the
4
abdomen
centimeter,
using
yeah.
the 4 centimeter.
Oh.
If I want to touch the organs or
Organs.
more deep in the abdomen. Ganun para ano na kayo. Pag tanong kasi pag po ano na yung sasabihin mo, malilito ka na, di ba? Or even, for example, you are using or taking the pulse, you are using the light palpation kasi 1 to 2 centimeter mo lang naman hindi niyan. Okay, how about the percussion? So, percussion, you are doing the striking, di ba? Okay. Di ba yung mga doktor na? Pakita ka lang. You can discuss yung,
Pwede
you can
ganun,
put,
ganun, ano?
you can put the piece, discuss nyo yung magkabisado kayo ng isa.
Kahit
Di ba? Oo, na you are using your other hand and putting the other, your fist on the top
Kahit
to
isa lang.
hear the sounds, di ba? Okay, so that is percussion. Or, I can percuss using, di ba, this is percussion,
Tapping,
tapping,
tapping.
tapping.
Yan, percussion yan, sample. Okay. Now, I will do auscultation.
Here.
Okay, we
Listening.
have, sabihin mo naman, we have indirect and direct auscultation. Indirect auscultation, I am using my ears to listen to the sounds. Okay, patient lung sounds. Or, minsan, pag umubo, di ba, nadinig mo?
Ay, yung
Tawag
ano
mo.
namin, direct yung...
Yung by use of-
Direct yung-
Using your ears.
Indirect
Oh,
stethoscope.
indirect.
Indirect
You use
yun.
your stethoscope to listen for the crackles, rise, ronchi, or any sound.
Okay.
Okay. You can use also your stethoscope. Example, inhale, exhale. Nadidinig natin
Respiration.
yun. Or if we want to listen for the heart sound, pwedeng gamitan ng stethoscope, which is indirect auscultation.
Yes.
Okay. Also, pag sinabi pa yung palpation, example, huwag yung kalimutan if you want to observe for the lymph nodes. Kaya pag nag-assess kayo, from head, eyes, dito, pakita nyo din na nag-assess kayo. And then, auscultation, bandang dito na,
Pag
auscultation.
may lymph
All the
nodes.
skin. Explain nyo na lang, hindi mo kailangan pakita na pag